February 16th, 2022. Trying a video under 10 magnification here. Kind of gives a pretty good look at the activity on these bird feeders. Grape jelly, suet, sunflower seeds. We have a lot of finches and sparrows. Just had a cardinal. The bluebirds are starting to come. Oop. Yep. I think I just saw a bluebird. I put a new bluebird house up. This one faces directly east. It's a little bit more expensive to stay there because it's a condo with a porch or a perch. Also have another unique feature here. It's now kind of an association. This is the bluebird feeder, and yes, those are mealworms. It's what nightmares are made of, but for bluebirds, it's like the #1 delicacy and the best way to feed their young. So these are made for bluebirds because they have protective holes when they go in and out. I'm not sure if other birds will come in, small birds, but we've got a condominium complex now with this bluebird house. This one right here, where we had a family there last year, a family of 3. They all made it. So, quick look at today's activity.